The second bass drum's arrived. Artstar 2 virgin shell. I've had a brief look at it. I've taken the back hoop off and no issues there. The front hoop, which is very common with these older drums, sort of delaminated, so I've got to fix the hoop. Other than that, condition-wise, the shell looks lovely. There's a bit of fading here, which is very common. So looking on the inside, all looks okay. Bearing edge looks fine. The telltale Simon Phillips gaffer tape signs there. There's no actual writing on this one, but I've got a good feeling it was his, and it may have been a spare maybe, because it's got the painted matching interior. I noticed there was 2 screws missing here, and it looks like the lugs are probably threaded. So maybe he had it as a spare, so we need to fix that. Also, it's got Rockstar spurs on it, which is a bit strange. So we'll get them swapped out, and I noticed there's no gasket underneath it, so I bet this was made of spare parts or used for spares. But overall, really good condition. So here are the shells before any work, and then we'll have a look what they look like afterwards. Right, let's get this bloody cable removed. I'll get it cut off nicely, just in case Simon wants it back. So I've managed to source these 24-inch maple hoops. They're an exact same width. They're just very, very slightly thinner by about 1/2 mil. I've started painting the replacement hoops. I've just done a single coat. I'll be putting another couple of coats over it, flattening them off and then lacquering them, and they'll be ready. I've got to repair the old hoops over there as well, and then I'll start on the other bass drum afterwards. Lots of work to do. I'm just sanding the hoops down now to flatten them off. First thing you can see is where the gasket's been on the shell, it's sort of decoloured it. So we'll have to get that polished up. There's a few marks here and there, but this is all surface marks. That should all clean up quite nicely. The shell's now cleaned up. It looks absolutely superb, really shiny, no real major damage. The interior, I've got rid of all the gaffer tape marks. That's all cleaned up nicely. I repaired the damaged lug, rethreaded that. I've made the replacement spurs, stainless steel, and I've actually mirror finished them as well, so they match the hardware. I need to find some rubbers and wing nuts for this. For the other drum, I found some replacement spur mounts. I found a replacement tom mount as well, so we are getting somewhere now, making a bit of progress. I'm still working on the hoops. I've still got to repair the old ones, and I've got to work a bit more on the colour match. You can see there, it's gone wrong on this one, so I'm going to have to revisit these. But I'll be getting onto that next week. Heads are on order. I've got everything I need for this drum now. Then we'll make a start on the second bass drum, and I'm really hoping to have both kicks ready within the next month. All being well, but we'll see.